Indeed, it is narrated from Abdullah ibn Amr, from other ways of narrative also. It is narrated from Abdullah ibn Amr, from other narratives either. Some people of knowledge said that the meaning of the saying of Prophet, may Allah have mercy and blessing upon him, he is not from us, means that he is not follower of our path and our way, saying that it is not from our etiquette. And Ali ibn al-Madini said that Yahya ibn Sa'id said that Imam Sufyan as-Sauri, may Allah have mercy upon them, used to refuse this interpretation. He is not from us means he is not like us.